Pterodactyl here, and today I got a quick appetizer for you on these John Deere tractors. You ever have that problem with this brake switch, that safety brake switch popping out? Well, I got a quick and easy fix for that. It'll make it better than new. Quick and easy. So these are two different model John Deeres. They both have that safety brake switch buried in there. Now on this other model, it's easier to look at and see. This is the switch for the brake. So you got to have the brake pushed in order for it to start. And what happens is either these little tabs wear out or they break off, and then the switch pops out of its holder and then you can't start the mower. So I got a quick, easy fix I'm going to show you. So you're going to need a hitch pin. It doesn't matter what size. I've got a small one here, and it's about a 1/16. This one's about a 1/16 of an inch hole. So I got a 1/16 drill bit. So right here we know that's where it clips in. So you want to get as close as you can to that. Drill a hole. And then I take the wizard wheel and I cut a little notch in there. So you can use whatever tool you can to cut a little notch in here. And the little notch is so it helps the hitch pin get in there. So now we're going to install it on the tractor so you could see. Okay, so I got the switch plugged in, and then I'll snap it back in its spot and reach in with a pair of needle nose pliers. Now it's nice and solid and it won't pop out on you. So that's all there is to modifying that switch to keep it from popping out on you. Quick little appetizer. So subscribe to this YouTube channel, Taryl Fixes All. Follow me with your interlock switches on Facebook and Instagram. Go to our web store. We got all kinds of stuff we sell, like this hoodie. And as always, there's your dinner. Woo! Wasn't dinner, was an appetizer! That's what you eat before dinner. Appetizer before the dinner.